All right, here we have word problems, and it's just an introduction. So let's just go ahead and start off. Example number 1 says the sum of 3 consecutive integers if x is the first consecutive integer. So x is going to be your first consecutive integer, which that's the first one, and then we're going to add the next one. So consecutive integers means the next one, so just one more. So that would be x plus 1, that would be your next integer. And then your next integer after that would be x plus 2. So if we add these up, so we could add like terms, we have 3x, and then we could add the 1 and the 2. So our answer would be 3x plus 3. All right, the next one, it is the perimeter of a triangle with sides of length x, 5x, and 6x minus 3. So in other words, we're just trying to write it as an algebraic expression. So the perimeter is equal to, you add up all the sides. So x plus 5x plus 6x minus 3. Gonna add like terms. So we get 11, 12. So 12x minus 3, that would be our perimeter. All right, and then the next one we have here is a problem that has to do with going to a store. So you go to a computer store that just announced 8% decrease in prices of a particular computer model. If this computer sells for $2,162 after the decrease, find the original price. All right, so I'm going to write up the formula. So original price minus the percentage in decimal times original price is going to be equal to the new price. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in what we know. We know that we're looking for the original price, so that's going to be x. And then the percentage in decimal, well, that's 8%, that's 0.08. And we know what the new price is. That is 2,162. So these are like terms. So because this is a 1 here, 1 minus 0.08, that's going to be 0.92x, and then equal it to 2162. Divide both sides by 0.92, and we get x is equal to 2,350. So that would be our original price.